Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and get ready to do math for Wednesday, May 20th. Now, if you have a ruler, you can grab it because we will need it for this. And if you don't, then you can just go ahead and follow along and I'll show you on my ruler. So first we have solve. You can draw a diagram if you want. It says a coat costs $65. Shoes cost $30. How much less do the shoes cost? Okay, this how much less should give us a clue as to what we're going to do. What do you think we're going to do if it's asking how much less? Are we going to add or subtract? Yeah, we're going to go ahead and subtract. So I'm going to draw a subtraction symbol there. I want to see if you can come up with a number model and then go ahead and solve it to tell how much less the shoes cost, okay? How many baskets did Anna and Kim make all together? So they made some baskets. You're going to find Anna and Kim and tell me how many did they make together if you add the numbers together. Measure the length of this line segment. So I want you to just, if you don't have a ruler, just go ahead and make a prediction or an estimate as to what you think the line is going to be. And when we come back, I will actually measure them. And this time we're measuring in centimeters and inches. Okay? Oliver picked 16 tulips and 20 daffodils. How many flowers did he pick in all? We're not even going to talk about what you're going to do. I want to see if you can use the clues that it gives you to decide what we're going to do with the number model and then go ahead and solve for it, okay? Then it says, write a number story to match this number model. 45 minus 20 equals, question mark. And then solve your number story and answer it. So think of what could you have maybe that would be 45 and then something where you take away 20 and then you are wondering what's left, okay? So I'm gonna have you, we didn't actually do any of this together yet. You're gonna go ahead, pause the video to do your work, and when you come back, we'll go over all the answers. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go over our answers. Now we didn't actually do any of them together. I just kind of gave you the instructions. So we will go over the answers for all of them. We had to draw a coat cost $65. Shoes cost $30. How much less do the shoes cost? So our number, we knew it was subtraction because how much less? Now our number model would be 65 minus 30 equals question mark because we have the cost of the coat. We take away the cost of the shoes, okay? And that will tell us the difference between the shoes and the coat, and that'll tell us how much less. So when we do the subtraction, it is the shoes cost $35 less. How many baskets did Anna and Kim make all together? Well, I just kind of circled it to help me see. So I looked at Anna and I saw, oh, she made 6. I looked at Kim, oh, she made 2. And 6 plus 2 is 8. That's one of our math facts. So there we go. Measure the length of this line segment. Now, we needed to measure in centimeters and inches. So when I put my centimeter side up, and I start right at the end because I don't have a little line where I start, and it is almost exactly 3 centimeters. It just barely goes over. Now my ruler on the other side has inches, okay? So when I put my inch ruler up, it goes past an inch, okay? But it's not yet to like 1.5 inches where I would say then we could jump it up to 2, okay? So I said that it's closest to 1 inch, okay? Oliver picked 16 tulips and 20 daffodils. How many flowers did he pick in all? Well, that in all right there is a big clue, okay? So, because he picked 16 and 20 of another kind. So 16 plus 20 equals question mark would be our number model, and then 36 would be the answer for our flowers, okay? So write a number story. Yours is going to be different than mine, but I said that Emmerich had 45 Pokemon cards. He lost 20 Pokemon, oh, that should say cards, okay? Maybe because his room was so messy and he lost them and he can't find them anymore. How many cards does he have now? And then when I solve for it, it's 25. So really any type of story where you have 45 of something and somehow 20 goes away, that would give you, or if you have something is 45 inches long or feet long, and then something else is 20 and you want to find the difference, that would work as well. So, but your answer should be 25 no matter what it is you're doing. And actually it should be, now that I think about it, so here, let me add my S to there, and it should be 25 cards because I need to label what it is that I'm talking about, okay? So there you go. There are your answers for the math for Wednesday, May 20th. Awesome job.